What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here in Santiago Oaks, descended on some black diamond trails. If you'd like to come check out these trails for yourself, I'll leave the address down in the description. But before we get to that, let me announce the winners for the ESI Grip prize pack. So the first winner is M-Dub, and the second winner is Hazen Blade. So DM me on my Instagram, and I'll get all your information. Alright guys, let's get to the ride. Alright guys, so I'm going to be hitting the black diamonds, and I'm just going to focus on Waterfall and Hawk, because I got here kind of late. And I think that those are probably the hardest black diamonds, if I'm not mistaken, here in Santiago Oaks. And I just want to see what they're all about. It's going to be my first time riding these trails. So let's go check them out. And here's one of my favorite parts of Santiago Oaks, the drop-offs. Oh, that was fun. All right, let's go down this way. Oh, it looks washed out from last time. Woo! That's so loose. Here we go, waterfall. Oh yeah, nice. This is my first time riding down waterfall. So, riding it blind. I've just seen it on videos. Where am I going? Alright, let's check this out. Alright, I gotta find a line. I think I see one on this side right here going down. Alright, let's give that a shot. Yeah, it seems like everyone takes this berm in. And then goes down this way. Oh man, so steep. I'm just gonna drop in right here. Oh yeah. Oh. All right, let's keep going this way. I believe I go this way. Oh yeah, nice. Oh, nice. Whew. My heart is beating. Oh, find my line. Whew. There we go, guys. That was Waterfall. It wasn't the prettiest thing, but made it down. All right, guys, here we go. Hawk. Take it easy. Dirt's loose. Whew. Nice. All right, let's go this way. Oh, it's loose. All right, cool. Not bad, not bad. How's it going? Ooh, it's rutted. Nice. Woo! Man, so that was my first time riding those Black Diamond trails, Waterfall and Hawk. I survived. Glad I did. I didn't want a busted knee. And guys, thanks for watching. And if you haven't already, don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you for all the support. Till next time.